Hello, welcome to Wisdom Capital. Let me elucidate our all new charting workspace before you. It is actually an advanced version of Chart IQ Genial. Let's start with changing its theme, which is currently in night mode. To do so, we have to go to display dropdown to find themes section at the bottom and change it to day. Okay, now I am much comfortable. Starting from the extreme top left, a search bar is situated wherein one can enter the desired symbol for analysis purpose. Let's enter Reliance to get its chart out. The first icon stands for Toolbox. This toolbox contains immensely beneficial aids that will enhance your trading decisions for sure. This is tool for measuring, which lets you easily count in terms of points, percentage, as well as the bars within the chart. Let's see how. So as it's showing 20.65 points, 1% and 13 number of bars. One can call out as well via this, like I wish to buy from here. The color can be changed also. Exit. This is to write text and this is for measuring the bars horizontally, like this to this. So we have got 27 bars in between. This is the doodle tool. Just draw whatever you wish. Okay, let's explore the most important one, that is Fibonacci. Wisdom Pro has the most number of tools related to Fibonacci, which is too essential as well, as Fibos are inseparable part of technical analysis and has its own acceptance. To trace the Fibo levels, just click here and the point where you have to trace. So as you can see, all the levels are plotted. You can also project the Fibo levels from a point to point by using this Fibo projection tool like this. Okay. What also offered is Fibo arc and Fibo fan. Let's see how they work. This is our Fibo arc. And this is Fibo fan. What this means is you have got complete package for Fibonacci analysis over here. Gann fan is given also. This is how the Gann fan is plotted. Believe me, nobody can get such set of tools for chart and technical analysis besides Wisdom Capital. Mostly all are limited to the primitive tools like text, lines, etc. etc. and traders have to seek and depend upon external resources to build their trading view. Wisdom Capital, which is also the first one to move and lead the discount brokerage segment, strive really hard to come up with new things. That too, keeping on lower side of cost and expense for the traders. Okay, let's continue to our charts. This toolbar is movable also, so you can shift it according to comfort. And to place the orders directly, buy and sell buttons are situated at top also. Clicking them will initiate order window to pop out, and you can place the orders from chart itself. On the right side, we have got the time frame changer, layout tab, where our desired set of custom settings are saved and which enables us to switch in between our strategy and layout quickly. The layouts can accommodate different set of time frames, indicators, studies, and we can switch in between quickly. We will see ahead how we can save. Moving on to the display section, almost all types of chart styles, candles like simple bar, Heiken-Ashi, mountain, histogram, one can choose any of them. The buttons for changing time frame and themes are also given at the bottom of the drop down. In the section of studies, you will find plenty of indicators. Indicators derived of complex mathematical models and formulas are given here. You can also comment below if any desired one is missing. We have a team working over it. They will be adding it quickly. We have got ATR, ADX, Bollinger Bands, RSI, everything. Suppose we have to add super trend, which is also known as the money machine. We can enter here also. We can change the time frame to 1 day also. To save the layout, so ABCD is the name for my layout, which henceforth will be available to choose at the layout section. This is here. You can also share your chart, analysis, or your drawings like this. There is a share button here, which will outcome as a link, which you can copy and share wherever you wish. Thank you very much to be with us, and please stay tuned for more.